Namaste children, this is Mausmi from Mangala Vidya Mandira, your maths teacher. Previous lesson we have started multiplication and division. In that we have just learned the multiplication by number line and multiplication tables. Today we are going to learn multiplication of 2 digits number with by 1 digit without carryover. Okay, so first one, if you observe this example, 13 multiplied by 2. So how we will do this? Okay, let's see. So tens, ones, so 13 this is multiplication sign, multiply by 2. Now 2 threes are, so what we will do, first we will multiply this unit place. 3 twos are 6, we will write in unit place. Then we will multiply this 2 with the number which is placed in tens. So 2 ones are 2. So what is our answer? 26. Okay. So what we have to do? First we will do that number what we are multiplying. What we call this one? We call this is multiplicand. So we will multiply this 2 with first 1 place digit like 2 threes are. Then we will multiply the number with tens place digit. Okay, so like this way we will do the 2 digit number. We will multiply 2 digit number by 1 digit number. Okay, next I have 21 multiplied by 4. So how we will do? Similar process we will use tens ones. So 21 multiplied by 4. Okay, so first what we will do? First we will do this number we will multiply with the 1 place number. So 4 ones are 4. Now this 4 will multiplied by the number which is placed in tens digit. So 2 fours are 8. So what I are getting? 84. Okay. Okay. So like that way, another one example also we can see. Let's take another one number. Tens ones. 22 multiplied by 3. Okay. So 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So 66. Like this way you will. So why we call do not carry over? So here we are not carrying any number here. Okay, that's simple. That means the number which is we are multiplying, that is giving the single digit number. Okay, now we will learn multiplication, multiplying 2 digit number by 1 digit number. Okay, here we will get carryover. So how we will do? Let's see the first one. Okay, so how it is happening? Tens ones. So 26 is multiplied by 2. Now first we already know we will first multiply with unit place number. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, so now 12 2. So what I am getting? 12. So in that unit place number I will write unit place, but what is that one? Yes, this one will be carry over to the tens place. So this one will be carry over to the tens place. Now 2 twos are 4. So this 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So that I will write in the tens place. Okay, let's do this again. Tens. So what is this? 26 multiplied by 2. So 2 6 are 12. So in this 2 will be come here, 1 will be come here. So how this 12 to 1 will be right like this. Okay, now 2 2s are 4. 4 will be add with. So how much we will multiply this 2? That will be add with the carryover number. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Understood? Okay, let's see another one example. 15 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, so here it will be 2. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. So 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. So it will be 75. Okay, then if I take another one example, let's see. 23 multiplied by 6. Okay, so 3 6 6 3s are 18. So 1 is carry over. So 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so like this way you can do this one. Now in this chapter we can learn, as we did in the addition and subtraction, here we can do the word problem also. Let's see the word problem. What is that? There are 4 wheels in a car. So we know there are 4 wheels in a car. Then how many wheels will be there in 22 cars? So total how many cars? 22. Each car has 4 wheels. So what we have to do? So what will be number of cars equal to 22. Correct? So number of wheel in each car, okay, is equal to 4. So what total number of wheels equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Next, a carton holds 4 packets of biscuit. Each packet has 5 biscuits. So how many biscuits can be packed in cartons? Okay. So here what we will write, the number of packet. So number of packets in carton. Carton, how many? 24. So number of biscuits. So let us start from here. Number of packet number of biscuits. Okay, 5. So total number of biscuits how many? And multiply. So 5 4s are 20. So 20, 0 will become here and 2 will be there. So 2. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 120 biscuit can be packed in a carton. Okay. Now, so you learn how to do the multiplication. Already you have learned the multiplication table. Now some assignment I am giving, you have to just complete. Okay, complete the following by multiplication table. So already you have learned. Here you just write the multiplication. So 2 4s are how much it will be. Okay, so before to do this one, another one things I just want to inform you that when we are doing the multiplication, it has some rules. So first rule is, if we multiply 1 with any number, we will get the number itself. So what is that? If we multiply 1, so 4 into 1, so already you get, 4 ones are 4. Okay, so if we 1 into 10, it will be 10. So if we multiply 1 with any number, we will get the number itself. Okay, next, if we multiply 0 with any number, we will get 0. If we multiply 50 into 0, we will get 0. If we multiply 70 into 0, we will get 0. So whatever the number, if you multiply 1000 with 0, we will get 0. So the rules is, if we multiply any number by 0, we will get the answer 0. Okay, so if we multiply same number, we will get the double. Okay, so like this you have to complete. Okay, neatly you will copy this one and complete in homework notebook. Here match the following. So here see 2 1s are 2. So where you will get the number 1 2s are 2. Yes, that means if we change the place of multiplicand and multiplier, we will get the answer same. So just you recall that addition, when we have add 4 plus 2, we get 6. Then 2 plus 4, we get 6. Similarly here also 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. So if we multiply 2 into 10, we will get 20. 10 into 10 to the 20. So like this way, if we change the multiplicand and multiplier place, we will get the product same. So by using that method, you have to match the following, you have to complete. Next, this all multiplication neatly copy down in your notebook and complete. Okay, so this much homework I am giving this time. Neatly you will complete in homework notebook. Okay, and you should upload in the group. All should do. If you have any doubt related to understand the multiplication, you should ask me through the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you children. Thank you.